Part C Cryptography 20 explain about the symmetric cipher model. The symmetric cipher model uses a single secret key for both encryption and decryption. The plain text converted as an encryption algorithm then can be transmitted into decryption algorithm then finally produce a plain text output. K equal to secret key, X is a plain text or message, cipher Y equal to E of X comma K, decrypted the plain text D equal to D of Y comma K. The symmetric encryption scheme has five components. The plain text is originally intelligible message or data fed into the algorithm as input. The encryption algorithm performs the various substitutions and transformations on the plain text. The secret key is also input of the encryption algorithm. The key is a value the independent of plain text of the algorithm. It produces a different specific algorithm using depends on the key. The ciphertext, it is a scrambled message produced as a output. It depends on the plain text and the secret key for the given message. Two different keys will produce a two different ciphertext. Decryption algorithm. This is essentially the encryption algorithm run in reverse. It takes the ciphertext and the secret key produce a original plain text. We assume that decrypt the message on the basis of ciphertext plus the knowledge of the encryption and decryption algorithm. We do not need the algorithm secret. We can only keep secret this, which is a symmetric encryptions feasible for the wide use spread. Let us see the diagram. Message source encrypt algorithm, the crypt analyzed, then decrypt the algorithm, then go to destination. The encryption algorithm use the key sources, the encryption algorithm, decryption algorithm, intermediate, the secure channel is produced. In this diagram, explained about this model of symmetric crypto system. Cryptographic characterized as a three different dimension. The type of operation used for transforming the plain text to the ciphertext. All encryption algorithm based on two general principles: substitution, in which the element in plain text mapped into another elements, and transformation, in which the elements of plain text are rearranged. The number of keys are used. If both the sender and receiver uses the same key, the system referred as a symmetric single key, the secret key, or the conventional encryption. The way in which the plain text is processed: the block cipher processes the input one block of element at a time, producing the output block, the each input block. The stream cipher processes the input element continuously, the output one element at a time is going. The crypt analysis and the brute force attack. Typically, the objectives of attacking the encryption system is to recover the key in use rather than simply the plain text of the single ciphertext. Two general approaches: crypt analysis and brute force attack. Crypt analysis, or really the nature of algorithm, helps for us some knowledge of general activities of the plain text. The brute force attack is a intelligible translations of plain text is obtained. In this table, explain the type of attack of encrypted messages. Ciphertext only. The encryption algorithm ciphertext. Known plain text encryption algorithm ciphertext. One or more plain text to ciphertext form with using key secret key. Chosen plain text encryption algorithm ciphertext. Plain text message chosen by the crypt analyst. Chosen ciphertext encryption algorithm ciphertext. The ciphertext chosen as the crypt analyzed together corresponding the plain text generated with the secret key. The chosen text encryption algorithm ciphertext plain text message chosen by crypt analyst. The ciphertext chosen by crypt analyst together corresponding the plain text generated with the secret key. There are the through different types of attacks: chosen ciphertext and chosen text, that are commonly employed cryptanalytic techniques, nevertheless possible avenues. The two more definitions are worth note. The encryption scheme is unconditionally secure. If the ciphertext generated the scheme does not contain enough information of corresponding plaintext, how much the ciphertext is available. The cost of breaking the cipher exceed the values of encrypted information. The encryption scheme is computationally secure if either of foregoing two criteria are met. The average time required for existing key search, the key size, number of alternative keys, and time required at a decryption millisecond, the time required at 10 power 6 decryption millisecond. In this form, the scheme are designed to exploit the traces of structure or pattern. The plaintext may survive encryption and decryptable in the ciphertext. The brute force attack. The brute force attack involve every possible intelligent translations of ciphertext into the plaintext. It shows a 56-bit key size with DES and 168-bit key size in triple DES. The minimum key size specified the AES is 128 bits. The result of the chosen substitution code uses 26 character key, which all possible permutation 26 characters serve as a key. Then it may be possible to achieve the processing rate many order of magnitude greater. The final column of table described this performance of DES considered computationally secure. 21. Describe the evaluation of AES. The AES encryption is established in the United States National Institute of Standard and Technology in 2001 and aim offered to specify specification of electronic data encryption. The developer of AES or begin cryptographer Joman and the Vincent. The due is known as propose a block cipher to the NAST technologies. The features of AES is a symmetric key, symmetric block cipher, 128-bit data, 128, 192, 256-bit key, stronger and faster than triple DES, provide full specification and design detail, software implementable in C and Java. The operation of AES. AES is a based using substitution permutation network. It comprises a series of linked operations which involve replacing the specific output substitutions and others involve shuffling bits around permutations. In this diagram, the semantic AES structured 128-bit plain text pre-round transformation round 1, round 2 up to round n. It uses a 128-bit ciphertext. The round keys. K1 uses 128 bits, K0 uses 128 bits, K2 uses round key, then up to Kn. The cipher key uses 128, 192 or 256 bits. The relation between number of rounds and cipher key size. The cipher key and the plain text. The key uses 128 bits, add round key, sub bytes, shift rows, mix column and add round key. The byte substitutions of subbytes looking the table of fixed table given the design, the result matrix 4 rows and 4 columns. The shift row, first row shift is not shifted, second row is shifted position to the left, third row shifted position to the left, fourth row shifted 3 position to the left. The result of the new matrix of the same 16 bytes but shifted with respect to each other. Mixed column. Each column of the 4 bytes is now transformed using the special mathematical function. This function take input into 4 bytes of one column and the output are completely new bytes which replace the original column. Add round key. The 16 bytes of the matrix consider the 128 bits or XOR and 128 bits of the round key. Decryption process. Add round key, mix column, shift rows, byte substitutions are the 4 process defined in this decryption. The AES analysis. In day cryptography, AES is widely adapted, supported both hardware and software. but not practical analytic attack against AES discovered. AES flexibility key length allows future proofing against progress inability to perform exhaustive key searches. 23. Explain the RSA algorithm. The RSA algorithm is a symmetric cryptographic algorithm. It is defined asymmetric cryptographic. Asymmetric is actually means the work on the two different keys, public key as well as private key. The name describe public key is given everyone. Private key is kept private. The example of asymmetric cryptography. The client sent to the public key to the server and request for some data. The server encrypt the data using the client public key and send the encrypted data. The client receive this data and decrypt it. The idea of the RSA based on difficult to factorize the large integers. The public key consists two numbers where one number is multiplications of two large prime number. Private key is also derived same two prime numbers and somebody can factorize the large number in the private key is comprised. The encryption strength is a key size, double or triple key size. The strength of the encryption increases. The RSA typically 1024 bits using the issues of the privacy, the growth of the internet and electronic commerce have brought the forefront of the issues privacy in electronic communication, the large volume of personal and sensitive information. The tools to ensure the privacy and confidability, the paper-based communication have existed the long time. Encryption is a standard making communication private. This is a definition of the advanced concepts of cryptography. Plain text is a intelligible message which is converted to unintelligible message. Ciphertext. A message is encrypted. From encryption, the process of converting plain text into ciphertext message. Decryption, the process of converting ciphertext message to the plain text message. Key, a parameter used the encryption and decryption process. Crypto system, a system to encrypt and decrypt the information. Symmetric crypto system, the crypto system that uses the same key to encrypt and decrypt the information. Symmetric crypto system and the crypto system that uses encrypt and the different keys used to decrypt. Cryptography maintain the confidential informations. Crypto analysis, the study of breaking the crypto system. The overview of encryption and the public key crypto system is using DES and become it is using private key is more confidential. The key distribution problem, private key known as distribution problem, in order to secure communication occur must securely using sent to this other party. The public system do not suffer this problem because they use two different keys. A public key crypto system deciphering the enriched from a message. D of em equal to m. E and D are easy to compute. Publicly revealing E does not reveal any easy way to compute D. Deciphering message, then enciphering the result. E of D of M equal to M. The reversed Shamir Aldiman point out the procedures of satisfying factory. The trapdoor is a one-way functions called one-way because it is easy to compute one directions to another called the trapdoor because the inverse functions easy to compute one certain private. The trapdoor informations it knows. The public key crypto system encryption and decryption process. Suppose the user want to private message M to user B. User A get the user B public key from some public source. User A encrypt message M using B the public key. They produce a ciphertext message. Then upon the receiver, the user B decrypt C using the private key. The result in the original message. Digital signature. The public crypto system allows to digitally sign the message they send. This digital signature provide the proof that the message oriented by designated sender. Suppose the user A want to send digitally signed the message M to user B. User A applies the decryption procedures to this result of ciphertext C. The user A and the encryption procedure B is result in this messages. The ciphertext message sent over the communication channel. Upon the receipt, the user B applies a decryption procedure to S. This result is a ciphertext in message C. Then RSA algorithm, the reverse Shamir-Aldiman algorithm is most popular and secure the public key encryption method. The algorithm following encryption rules represent the message integer between 0 of n minus 1, encrypt the message rising the power modulo, and decrypt the ciphertext message in the another power modulo of n. Determine the appropriate values of EDN. Choose two very large prime numbers. Donate the number P and Q. Set n equal to P into Q. Choose any large integer of D. GCD of D of P minus 1 into Q minus 1 equal to 1, such that mod of P minus 1 into Q minus 1. Secure is the communication using RSA. The cryptographic method cannot proven secure. It is instead of using this decrypt the message without having the direct knowledge. It is approximately using 200 digits of resulting n. The fastest known the factoring algorithm, the form of attacker to break the code. Other methods for determining without factoring as a difficult in RSA algorithm. 23. Define the authentication protocol. The authentication protocol is a communication protocol. It can be encrypted or designed to ensure the safe transfer of authenticated data between two or different parties. The cryptographic and the authentication process work similarly. The necessary documentation submit the bank is the user verification and authentication. The secure vehicles is the authentication and making sure your money and identifiable encryption of data. The type of authentication protocol. The various authentication protocol, password authentication protocol, like known as PAP, one of the most straightforward authentication protocol. The simplicity of protocol fact transmit the data into the plain text. It also known as SPAP. This protocol is more primitive than PAP. The types of authentication protocol is Kerberos. The Kerberos is a protocol for network authentication. This is used for validating clients and server during the network employing the cryptographic key. It is designed for executing the strong authentication while reporting to the application. Some advantages of this Kerberos, it support various operating system authentication shared then public sharing. Some disadvantages, so this it used for authenticate clients and services used them. It shows vulnerability to weak or soft password. Lightweight directory access protocol, it used for organizations other devices using network recording the public or corporate internet. Some advantages of LADB is the automated protocol. It support the existing technologies, allows multiple directories. Some disadvantages of LADB, it required experience of deployment. The directory service servers are required LDAP obedient for deployment. Third, two authenticate authorization. Two, some advantages of LADB is automated protocol Modernizing is easier. It supports existing technologies and allow multiple directives. Some disadvantages of LADP: it required experience of deployment. The directory server required LADP obedient for deployment. SAML. SAML stands for Security Assertion Markup Language, which is based on the XML based authentication data format. Authorization is the identity provider and the service provider. It's known as a WIAS's Security Services Technical Committee. Advantages of SAML is the end user administrating cost are reduced. It provides the sign. The sign is for authenticating provider, service provider. Disadvantages: identity provider. Another one is the data is managed into the single XML format. Radius stand for remote authentication, dial in user service. The functioning of this access network resources encrypt the credential which are entered by the user. Some advantages of Radius: multiple access for admin providing and provide the unique entity each user in session. Some disadvantages: initial implementation mechanism on hardware. The various model require the special team which is cost consuming. 24. Detail in the digital signature standard. The DSS, the Federal Information Processing Standard, define algorithms that are used to generate the digital signature with the help of secure hash algorithm for the authentications of electronic document. The DSS provide the digital signature function, not the encryptions or the key exchanging strategies. The example: sender A, receiver B. The original message combining signature. Instead of that, the message using the hash function and the hash code. Receiver side. The receiver side also using the hash functions and verification done. Compare the verification function. In this diagram, explain the server side, sender side and the receiver side. Digital signature standard. The DSS approach provide the digital signature function. Unlike RSA, it cannot used for encryptions or the key exchange. It is the public key technique. The RSA approach the message signed to be input to the hash functions and produce secure the hash code of the fixed length. In this diagram, the two approaches of digital signature: RSA approach and DSS approach. The DSS approach also make the use of hash function. The hash code provided input the signature function along with the random number generated the particular signature. The result of the signature consists two components labeled S and the R. Next, the signature function is such that only the sender, the knowledge of the private key, could not produce a valid signature. In symmetric cryptographic process, one key is used to encipher the data. The different but corresponding key is used to decipher data. The system that uses the process known as the public key system. The key that used to encipher the data widely known, corresponding for deciphering the data. For example, many people use a public key send the enciphering data with the confidence, knowing that only you should possess a secret key for decrypting, deciphering the data. The public key cryptographic algorithm use a process that simplify the distribution of the secret key, assuring data integrity and provide non-repudiation through the use of digital signature. The public key system are often restricted to the situation. The characteristics of public key algorithm: special value, the digital signature of key distribution. The public key calculations are the fast enough to enable the use of the digital signature. ICF support the three public key algorithm. RSA is a reverse Shamir Alderman. The digital signature standard. An elliptic curve digital signature algorithm. Thank you.